It's been a long time, y'all. Don't even get on me, y'all. I'm sorry. It's my fault, and I apologize. But today I will be doing a video on ISeeHair. No, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to do a review on it and my thoughts on it, or not even my thoughts, just how I like it. But so far, I really like it. But if you want, did y'all hear that? That scared the crap out of me. But make sure you thumbs this video up, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And I hope you enjoy the video. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So today, y'all, we're gonna be doing a frontal install. Y'all gonna be doing it with me on myself. I just got my hair braided today, and yeah, I don't know how to braid my own hair, so we're gonna try to get this lace melted, y'all. We're gonna try to get it melted. So the first thing that you see me open it is the wig, a frontal wig. I got a 26-inch deep wave. See, I opened it already, so it's not like really how it looked, but it is, because I just took it out, tried it on, put it back in the bag. But guys, the hair is really nice. It's really soft, y'all. If it wasn't, I would not be lying to y'all. But it's really soft. As you can see, this is 26 inches. This is what the inside looks like. It has combs. I might cut my combs out because I have braids and I tried it on and it freaking hurt trying to take it off. So snagging my hair. To bleach the knots, I got a 20 developer because I don't want it to go too fast and I don't want it to go too slow. This is kind of in the middle. I went to cosmetology school, so I know I'm gonna use 20. And for the, of course, I got the lightening powder right there. I also got me the Got2b Clear styling gel. I don't like that. Then I got the GhostBond. I got of course y'all know what this is. The free spray by Got2b.
Okay guys, so I'm back. So I got the bowl and I have the powder mix. I'm gonna just show you guys how much I put in there. So I'm gonna put 1 full scoop in the bowl. Okay, it's going everywhere. I'm gonna put 1 full scoop in the bowl. And then for the enlightener, my tip is go little by little because you don't want to put too much and then you have to keep adding powder and then you're wasting powder. So, because the trick is you don't want this to be watery because it will seep through the wig and you will be using that Sharpie trick, but sometimes people don't want to have to go through all of that, so. I don't have corona. It's these chemicals. This is when I need my mask. But so I'm gonna mix. Oh. See, this is what I get for trying to show y'all. So when you get it, it should not fall.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I have washed the wig and these are the knots. They are bleached. They're bleached actually perfectly, as you can see. So now I'm gonna go in and pluck the wig. Okay y'all, so we can see it looks like a jerry curl, y'all. I look like I'm about to sing like Prince. Let me stop playing, but I'm dead serious. It looks like I'm gonna say hi. Oh, oh.
right or how, how this works. This is my first time ordering a wig off mine. And, okay, so far it looks like I plucked this side better than I did the other side. I can still pluck it. I'm just pluck it again. Just so it can look the same. And I'm going to pluck right here as well. So, if you want to watch me pluck, keep watching. If not, I will put a timestamp of where you can skip to once we begin styling. But if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Just like so. I'm gonna put the rest in a ponytail.
Purchase your tracks today.